Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I want to use the angle bisector theorem to solve this exercise. That is, we have given a triangle ABC whose sides are known as side AC is 10 units, AB is 14 units, and BC is 8 units. And then we have an angle bisector AD that bisects angle A into equal parts. I am representing it with x1 and x. And we have asked to find BD and DC, that is the segments of the opposite side that is bisected by AD. So we need to find the value of BD and DC. So that's quite easy. I can use angle bisector theorem, but before that, I want to call BD equal to x. Then obviously CD is 8 minus x, and I write it 8 minus x. And now using the angle bisecting theorem, according to angle bisecting theorem, the ratio of side AB to AC is equal to BD to DC, and that's what I'm writing over here. And if I put the values, I can write it for 14 divided by 10, and then BD is equal to x and ACD is equal to 8 minus x. This is now very straightforward. I first cleared the fractions by taking this denominator to the left and this to the right to construct this equation. So if I remove the brackets, this is 1 and this will become minus 14x. And then I take the 10x to the left, it becomes negative. So I'm left with 0 on the right. And minus 14 to 10 is minus 24. And then taking this to this side becomes negative, and I cancel the negative to get 24x equals 1112, and dividing both sides with 24 gives me this, and this in fact is equal to, I can simplify it to 14 with 3. So that's the value of x, which is also the value or the length of segment BD. So I write BD equals 14 by 3 units. I missed to write units over here. And then putting this value of x in at this position, so DC is equal to 8 minus 14 by 3 and I can simplify this to 10 by 3. So CD is 10 by 3 units. And then thanks for watching Safi Mixed.